Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is your September love and work forecast for Scorpios. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising signs is in Scorpio, this reading is for you. If you know a Scorpio, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe. Magic Vans Tarot, friends. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website, and this is general reading may resonate or it may not. Also, if you want to see the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings, check the link in the timestamps. Also, friends, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing well, Scorpios. Let us see what is happening in September. I can't believe we are in September 2021. What have we done in this year? Have you done much? I haven't done much, friends. I think the whole year just went like crazy. Wasn't it even crazier than 2020? I think it definitely was. It was really tough for me, my family. Yeah, it definitely was. We'll talk about it some other time. Phew, oh my god. I'm glad we are past those days. Seriously, it was really tough times. Let's see, Scorpios. I hope you guys are doing well, and I can't believe we are in September. It's like the year has gone, but nothing, like it feels like didn't the year just started? My God, time is flying, or maybe it's not. I don't know. It's a weird energy. So let us see, Scorpios. What is the theme of the month for Scorpios for September? Theme of September for Scorpios. Theme of September for Scorpios. All right, it's the King of Swords. September. Scorpios, September energy, theme of the month for September. Wow, Empress. Wow, this is beautiful, Scorpios. You are definitely birthing yourself. You are taking care of yourself. You are blossoming this month. You are growing. You are becoming better. You are shining bright, Scorpios. Also, there is a high chance your creativity will be very, 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 very high this month. Some of you could be getting pregnant, or some of you could be healing your relationship with your mother. Definitely, there is a lot of connecting with Mother Nature, connecting with your own mother, becoming. Some of you could also be starting working with children. It will bring a lot of success to you. So definitely, this is like a new you, Scorpio. You are birthing yourself. A new you is coming, and you are manifesting. Your manifestations are definitely going to come true. Scorpios, you're very clear what you really want this month or in for yourself, and that is the power, and that's why you are shining bright, Scorpios. You will have definite clarity. If you're confused right now, don't worry, Scorpios. You will have clear mind, you will have clear vision of what you want, where you're headed, what is it that you want in life, and you're gonna be a very powerful manifester this month, Scorpio. So congratulations. Please manifest something for all of us, for our world, for me, for everybody, for Magic Vans Tarot also. Manifest happiness, joy, love, peace. I think that's exactly what you are manifesting, and it's a very powerful month for you. And the Three of Pentacles, yes, a lot of support is coming towards you, friends. Scorpios, you are not alone in this journey. You will find a lot of support, a lot of like minded people. If you have been working alone, you will find, more support at your work, more. If you are in business, you will find more clients, more people interested in your work, in your career. Also, even if you are not working, you will find more people interested in you. A lot of friendships coming your way. And I do feel you are manifesting, and look at that, a new you, Scorpios. A new vision, a new life, a new thought, a new way of thinking, living. Some of you may actually be changing your diet, leaving non-veg, or leaving, cutting out dairy or something, and going just vegan or plant-based, or just drinking more, connecting with nature. Some of you are also working on your life skills, like divine skills that you have, like creativity, your talents, your skill. You will be sharpening that, and there is a new you coming, Scorpios, and it's a beautiful new you. It's a very powerful new you. You know exactly what you want, and you're gonna achieve it. It's a very, very good month for you. So let us see how your love life will be. Scorpios. Alright, their love life for Scorpio in the month of September. You could be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini friends in the month of September. Scorpios, their love life. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini friends. So those two energies are definitely coming in. Projections, yeah, your relationships are really intense this month, Scorpios. Something deep is happening. I feel the first week of September, let's see how it will be. You are feeling a little burdened in the first week of September. There is a lot of workload. You are also feeling like you need to change something within you or in your love life. There is this urge like you need to say something, you need to change. If you have been not telling the truth to anybody or to yourself, it's like the pressures are burning high on you, Scorpio. So I do feel some of you are really burdened with life, with expectations, or you are very busy at your work and career, and this is taking. Or it could also be your partner is very busy. They are suffocating at their work, and they need to and it's started to affect your love life. Yeah. And yes, you and your partner are not talking much in the first week. There is silence, but you still feel very connected to this person. They also feel very connected. This could be a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or someone very mental, someone very logical is there in your love life or is important to you in the first week. Four of Swords. Yeah, I feel like none of you is taking action towards your love life. No, neither you nor your person, because you're busy. There is so much on your plate for you and your person. You are like, I don't have time for love, but you still feel very connected. You are still feeling very you feel their presence around you in the first week of September. Let us see the second week of September. Oh my god, destiny is bringing you guys back in the action. This is a very destined week for you. Some destined changes, some fated events will take place in the second week of September. Yes, you and your person will think of moving together, moving in, taking the relationship forward. Someone might propose you, or someone might say, hey, let's see, we have been dating, now it's time to be in a relationship or move in together. So there is talk of expansion. Moving forward, your love life is finally getting back on its track. Eight of Cups, yes, if some of you were recovering from a breakup or something, yes, second week you will definitely be fully recovering and ready to meet and mingle with new people. So if you were upset with a past lover, or you were trying to heal or come out of a breakup, yes, by second week in September you will be coming out of it. Let us see what will, and it's a very destined week for you, the second week. Let us see the third week, Scorpios. Yeah, again, the pressures on your relationship is high. You or your person needs to change something, or this in this relationship or in yourself, or you may be changing, Scorpio, and this may not fit well or go well with your person. Like, you are free, you are becoming more creative, while this person is stuck in old life. They are stuck with some karmic relationship, they are stuck in some another relationships, they are stuck with work or career, they are in long distance. There is, like, you are growing, you are flourishing, while this person feels a little stuck. So in the third week, your person will be getting a chance to to grow as you are growing. There is a chance of a rebirth for your person, but I don't think they will be taking this chance, or they will be a little confused. So there might be some arguments or conflict or difference of opinion that might happen in the third week. Also, you are very independent in the third week, so that can lead to some problems, Scorpio, that you are independent and you are feeling very sexy, very steamy, you are drawing a lot of attention. Your person will be like, why are everybody, why everybody wants to know you? So you are very sexy, you are growing, you are glowing. Look at this, you are the empress, you are the emperor. People want to know you, and your person might be a little jealous. I do see that there will be a lot of love in this week for you. Extra dates, extra special romantic moments, and steamy passionate moments coming your way. I also feel chances of flirting, new romance, or some sort of a dates might happen with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Also, Scorpios, this is a very intense, like emotional as well as a passionate week for you. Let's see the final week. So, the final week, your partner will come out of this hurt, this pain, and like this self misery, and they will break free and they will, like, hey, I'm coming back, I miss you, I want you back, I will not settle for you. You know, others chasing you, I will chase you, because they see you are there. You know, you guys are one made for each other. And look, there is a celebration. Your person might propose you marriage, they might date you, or they might officially propose you in the final week after a lot of thinking. Or you might propose somebody. I also see it could be somebody's birthday in the fourth week, and that will actually unite you guys in love. Also, your person's birthday could be in this week. There is a lot of celebration, so it's a great month for you, especially in your love life. A lot of you are changing, and your person will also need to change along with you. Advice for Scorpios. Ace of Wands, so there is excitement. Look at that. Six of Wands and Three of Cups. Oh, heart chakra, and look at that, the Nine of Swords. Yeah, there is actually, there is certain burden on you. You know, you are changing, friends. There is certain anxiety, depression, or there is a need to, lift the burdens, or let some, there is a desire for you to change. A new you is coming, and when you start being this new you, you will feel free from this burden, this anxiety. Listen to your heart more, follow it. And yes, take action. Ace of Wands, there is a lot of passion for you, so try to balance passion with emotions in your love life. And yes, things are moving forward. There will be forward progress in your love life. You will not be keep moving forward, no matter how. Keep the lines of communication open, Scorpios. That's very important. And don't just focus on lust. Try to make it emotional, romantic also. And look at that, Three of Cups. Again, celebrations are coming for you. New friendships are coming for you. And try to be your person's friend. And that will be the key for you, Scorpios, this month. Friendship is the key to successful romance for you. Let's see your work now. And everybody is like, you don't do work readings. I do them every week, friends, every month, but nobody cares. Oh my god, friends, I keep telling everybody that yes, we are doing work and career. It's extra work for me. But yeah, it's okay. Let's see. All right, Scorpios, this is a busy month for you, friends. I told you, you are very, very busy. You are very focused on your work. Your schedule is quite tight this month in your work, career, or even in your studies. Like, you could be having your exams in September, or your exams are in October. So you are preparing for them. So you have a very strict schedule. Deadlines. You are very busy with your work and career. I also feel this might be a stressful month when it comes to work and money, because you have a lot on your plate, Scorpios. The deadlines are really, work pressures will be high this month, so you should plan, you should prepare well. Also, do not dance to the tunes of your boss or to the tunes of politics or something like that. Don't I would, if you are a student, Scorpio, try not to push anything till the last minute. Don't try and prepare for the exam last day. No, that will not go well for you. Absolutely not. In fact, it will worry you and make you very anxious, and that will even decrease your productivity. So try to plan ahead and keep moving forward with that. So the more you plan this month, the better this month will be in your studies, in your career and finances. And yes, you are, try to be mature when it comes to your work and career and finances. You may feel like you need a desire to overspend. You may also feel like do not work. You may want to just play. You may just want to play your favorite sport, your favorite mobile games. You may just want to be, you may want to do things your way while the boss wants you to do things the way it is done traditionally. Tradition versus the new you is a problem this month, but I think you will be able to manage it, Scorpios. Your mind is very sharp, so you will be able to manage it. Also, your passion for your work is sky high, so you will come out and rise above all difficulties. Phew. Let us see some advice, Scorpios. Advice for our beautiful Scorpios. Okay, this one will come out. Strength and guidance. Yeah, you are very strong, Scorpio. So believe in yourself. You're strong. You're very, very a new you. You are a leader. You are very guided. So you're very guided, friends. You are, joy and contentment. So yeah, you're gonna feel happy. You're gonna feel content. You're gonna feel like a happy, happy kid. And look at that. Phew, I told you you are a powerful manifestor, Scorpio. Ask and you shall receive. Yes, ask and you shall receive. Money, luck, career, whatever you want. Romance, passion, babies, children. I don't know what you want, but it's coming. Oh my god, they just keep going back. For Scorpios. Alright, let's take them. Okay, major challenge to overcome. Yeah, there are certain challenges in your work and career, like stress. There is a high workload or pressures. But you can take it. You can overcome them, friends. With you're very passionate and ambitious. Money path, yes, a path to money is waiting for you this month. Son, happiness and success is coming. Whale, great worry over nothing. Yeah, you are stressing over nothing. You can achieve it, friends. You can do whatever you want and you will be successful. Secret admirer, yes, there are hidden. A lot of people are actually interested in you, Scorpios. A younger woman is important for you. Weeping willow, family sorrow. Yeah, some of you may be actually facing some family legal issues or property issues this month. Yeah, some of you may be buying a vehicle, buying a car, buying a new house. So, buying something key is important. Lobster, financial pinch. Yeah, but that will end up with a financial pinch for you. Caterpillar, changes are coming for you. Moon, changes in your life. Yeah, emotionally as well as a new you is coming. December is important. So, I do feel that you will find a lot of success by December, or somebody born in December is important. Table, work, hard work ahead. Gossip, someone will gossip all your secrets. So yeah, that's it for now, Scorpios. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.